shall sing all the day when again we assemble at home. When we meet there to part with the blessed o'er the way, there no more from our loved ones to roam. When we meet there to part, oh, what songs of the heart we shall sing in our beautiful home. Though our rapture and bliss there's no song can express, we will shout, we will sing o'er and o'er, as we greet with a kiss and with joy